sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Welcome back. Okay, happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Yeah, today is 14th of February and we are not doing much. We wanted to go out today, but we changed our mind. And besides, this kind of stuff doesn't move I and hobby, you know. We are just living our normal life. It's not a do or die something, you know. So that is basically it. And also this is our evening routine. You saw me when I was bathing my baby, and I also bathed mine. And now hobby is back and he's also taking his bath. So right now, did I say bath or bath or bath? Whichever one, hobby the bath. So right now I want to prep the vegetables. I already washed them before bathing my baby. So now I'm going to prep it. After prepping it, I'm going to be making dinner. We are going to be eating chips and fried egg. That is what we are having for dinner. So that is basically it. This is our evening routine. So simple, nothing, it's not serious, okay? So how are you spending your Valentine? We are not spending anything. We are just living our normal life, you know. Yeah, that is basically it. Guys, if today is your first time stopping by, my name is Oluchi Grace and this is my channel, Unique Grace TV, and I'm living in Turkey with my beautiful family. So please smash that red subscribe button and be a part of this family. Makanega like yeah. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. Yes, so how did you spend your Valentine? We wanna know. How did you spend it? Or are you like us? Tell me on the comment section. Did you celebrate it or did you, live your normal life?
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like,
Well, you gotta get the first point last month.
That's the one. Happy Valentine, Oga. Which one will be the same to you?
Thank you, Nigerian. Okay, surprise.
I got nothing like surprise.
Okay, surprise.
No surprise. We are living our normal life, I bet.
Right?
Esther, how are you? How are you? Esther, how are you? Aya, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Do it now. You are forming now. If I carry camera, you go begin form. Oh, yeah, kiss mommy now. Look at you. See your hair. Oh, man, no, they allow me to make her hair these days. Like, you see that hair where she they carry so. If I want make her, now so unlike before, you guys know now if I they make her hair, now they say, hey, Oma is come, Oma is come. No be now again. Oh, you say Papa? Papa? Mama? Take you come and give your daddy a bag. Hey, give your daddy. Now they see how they spend our Valentine, Abby. Hey, last year, what did I even do last year, Seth? Okay, you did my YouTube. That was the first time I did that in Seth, because I know the Valentine person. If you want to watch my last year Valentine, I'm going to leave it on my comment on my description box. If you go there, you will see it. It's just so funny. Hey. So, anyhow you want to do it, celebrate, celebrate. We move. Esther, allow me to talk. I'm still prepping the veggies.
the fear, no be this leads me to the peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love.
Guys, I'm done prepping the vegetables, all right, and I'm frying the chips right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm done prepping them. This one is the carrots, this one is the pepper, this one is the vegetables. Remaining this one. I have not packed it, and I'm frying the chips. All right, this one is the chips. Like, why is it that my chips no they look like KFC or McDonald's chips? You know, I don't know if you know how to make it, or if you know how to make chips to look like McDonald's and KFC. Tell me on the comment section, or make a video and tag me so that I will see it. I know that this thing changes color, but my own no change color before frying it. You know, I don't know why it's always changing color. I just can't tell. I bet tell me. Sometimes no be saying every time, but always after frying it the thing go change color. And me, I don't like them. I don't like them. I want it to be looking like KFC and McDonald's. This one I don't know. If you know them, please, I beg you, tell me on the comment section. You gotta go ahead. So yeah, I'm still frying the stuff, and yeah, that is basically it. If I watch up to this moment, mega love shout out to you. I want them to.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a
Food is ready. This position is always giving my food the main thing. Why? So we are just going to eat now and then sleep, you know, and then I will continue my work, editing and all of that. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate. And please, if today is your first time and you have watched up to this moment, please feel free to smash the red subscribe button and be a part of this family. Yeah, you will definitely love us. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Let us go and eat. I hope my angel and the Oma, they are waiting for me. So let us go and eat. Okay, let me carry the food. You see the way Oma will run now. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oma know they use eye see food. Where them they? Go no ziaba. Hey, Oma food is ready. Hey, our table. Hey, Oma food is ready. Food is ready. Hey, Oma know they use eye see food.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a